Happy Woof Wednesdays, y'all, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about kind of a sensitive subject. And earlier this week I was asked, how did I know it was time for Ozar when she passed away? And a lot of you probably know this already, but some of you might not. Ozar had died on her own and without the help of any euthanasia or anything of that nature. And I had come home on a Tuesday night. She was fine for a little bit, and then she threw up and she would not eat or drink for the rest of the night or the next day. And I had taken her to the vet the next day. We administered IVs, did everything we could, and nothing had worked, and she ended up passing away on my way home from the vet. Now, if you do have your dog and you're in a contemplative manner of like, when is it time to put my dog down? And yes, I think you should definitely talk to your vet about this, but at the same time, some things that you should look out for is your dog eating and drinking? And yes, they can go without a meal, maybe 2 meals, depending if they're overweight or not. But I wouldn't, if your dog doesn't eat, I wouldn't give up just right there with the food. I would add some garlic powder to your food, or give your dog cat food or anything like stinky, because they may have lost their sense of smell with them getting older. So you never want to give up on that. Another thing to try, if they've stopped drinking water, is giving them maybe like a very low sodium chicken broth, or if you were to soak your own chicken in water and have that water, so then that has the flavoring and the smell that they'll be able to catch on to, and then they'll start drinking it. These are just a couple of options in case your dog isn't eating or drinking. If your dog is acting like it doesn't want to be around you, that's another sign. You might say, okay, what's going on with my dog? And talk to your vet about that, because they might not be feeling well. They just might want to be alone. Remember, Ozar kept trying to push herself away from me at times within that time period, from that Tuesday night to that Wednesday night. If your dog is still coming up to you and giving you attention, then that is a very positive sign. But always talk to your dog in its last, when you know it has a couple months left or you don't know what's going on with them. Talk to them in the softest voice possible. Talk to them about anything. Your voice to them is the greatest sound in the world to them. And you can talk to them about the Facebook statuses of your friends, what's going on in this TV show. You can read your book to them. They don't care. It's not like they understand completely what you're saying, but they understand your voice and they understand how soothing that is. If they make a mess in the house, if they do anything, do not yell at them for that, because they are already a little bit nervous as to what's going on with them. If they don't feel like themselves, they know they would not have made that mess normally, and you making a big scene out of them and yelling at them is not going to fix the matter, nor are they going to really know how to correct the manner, because it's out of their character to do. So my advice is just be like, it's okay. Like when Ozar was sick that last night, I would just be like, it's okay, baby, don't worry about it, Mother's got it. You just have to talk to them in a very soothing voice, let them know that you're there for them, so you're not getting upset with them. But always consult your vet on these matters also. But I hope some of these tips for food, for drinking, water, as well as behavior and attention, really help some of you guys out for the future, and I hope you guys are not having to deal with that anytime soon. Thanks so much for watching. Happy Woof Wednesdays and happy February 1st to you. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.